langit, mga talang walang kasing rikit, kumukutitap nila.
I'm Jomari Palacio, 26 years old. Way back then, when I was still in high school and college, I was a working student back then. I worked in catering services, and in college, I was working on event decoration. After I graduated last June 28, 2024, I applied here in Cebu Beach Club. I'm very fortunate that I was hired.
Liwanag nating dala ang kwento ng isa't isa. Love, joy, and hope are glowing. The good times they are bringing. And now our story shines this Christmas. Our story shines this Christmas. Sa liwanag mo, kahit lakas. Our story shines this Christmas.
Ako mapasalamaton sa mga tag-iya o tagdumala dinhi sa Bohol Beach Club kay kaming tanan iyang gitagaan og panginabuhian. Ako kini nga una nga trabaho og diri na ko nagkapamilya og diri na ho nakaplagan ang ahoang dawan. Happy kayo ko og proud sa nahimong party nga sa pamilya sa BBC. God bless BBC. Merry Christmas!
Kamay nating magkalapat, magkarugtong na ang palad. Alang lungkot na pinupuhat, nunang pasasalamat. Liwanag natin dala ang kwento ng isa't isa. Love, joy, and hope are glowing. The good times they are bringing. And now our story shines this Christmas. Our story shines this Christmas. Sa liwanag mo, kay lakas. Our story shines this Christmas.
Maing Pasko na tuong tanan, pinagyod sa atong mga empleyado sa Cebu Beach Club, Argao. Ako magdahom nga maingon ani di ay, may nani day kadako, unya karon nga nahuman nagyod. Gani daghan na tag mga empleyado, dako kog nakita nga kining maong establishment, kining Cebu Beach Club Argao. Kung kaniadto ang Argao Beach Club na himong landmark sa South, Cebu Beach Club is now for me the new landmark sa Cebu South. Hinaot sad ta ko nga kining mga empleyado nato pakita paglaban sa kumpanya kay mura mo gini siya symbiotic nga atong relationship towards the employer. Ug wala ang mga employee isad mabuhi ang kumpanya. Kumpanya sad katabang sad sa mga empleyado. So magtinabangay ako sa akong experience almost 40 years. Masig kamo sad maingon ana pud kay ang mga tag-iya ining maong kumpanya kamaong mutanaw kamong mulantaw sila nga empleyado. Hopefully magdugay sad ta dinhi. Kabangan nato sa Cebu Beach Club. Daghang salamat ug may Pasko.
Sa liwanag mo, kay lakas. Our story shines this Christmas.
That day's a merry and bright. Ang ating mga kwento, they are the light. Whatever may come, we're okay. Sa lahat ng araw, we will always slay. We're okay. Love again, dream again, most of all, stand up again. Ang
Bohol Beach Club, nabuo yung pangarap ko. Naging UGT ako dito, linen attendant, naging telephone coordinator, naging room supervisor ako. At ngayon, dahil sa tiwala na binigay sa akin ng management, naging housekeeping manager ako. Ngayon, nagpapasalamat ako sa Bohol Beach Club kasi nang dahil sa kanila nakakapag-aral yung mga anak ko, napoprovide ko yung pangangailangan nila. At saka, yung tiwala na binibigay sa akin ng management. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat sa management ng Bohol Beach Club. Kasi mula noon hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin ako nagsiservisyo at inaalagaan nyo kami mga empleyado nyo. Salamat po.
Love, joy, and hope are growing. The good times they are bringing, and now it's always shine this Christmas.
Ako si Richard Hitubig, staff sa restaurant. Nagtrabaho ko diri since 2006 until 2013. Na ako sa BBC kay ganahan ko sa management. Naapod ako mga kauban po di sa una niya. Diri po ko nag-start sa ako ang career as a F&D. Ag mga owners pod, mga maayo pod, komportable po ko mo trabaho diri kay diri ko nagsugod. Until now napa ko diri and hopefully mo retired ko ari gyapon ko diri.
Nating dala ang kwento ng isa't isa. Love, joy, and hope are growing. The good.
What's my CBC story? The story about CBC is a lot about hope. We want to give employment to the people around this area. Think about Bohol, many years back we're in, it was just raw island. There's really nothing much to do. I can relate that to Argao at this point in time we're in. There's really not much going on, although it has a lot of potential. Building Cebu Beach Club, we want to give employment to the people around this area. We want to give development to the community. We want to give hope. We want to give joy and love. We're in. We teach people how to love what they do, love what they have. Hope we're in. There is hope where they are. There is hope in Argao we're in. You don't have to go far. You can seek employment here. And this is just basically the start of something big. We look forward to developing Cebu Beach Club in Argao. Maybe years from now, we'll have more rooms. Years from now, we'll give more employment to people. Years from now, we'll give a lot of development to the community. And years from now, just a lot of hope, just a lot of love, and just a lot of happiness. So we look forward to this adventure in Cebu Beach Club. We're barely 6-7 months since we started, and there's really a lot more to look forward to. So here's to many years to come, and Merry Christmas to everyone.